Hello everyone, I want you to think of something which we can't see or touch. It doesn't glow, reflect, or interact with light in any way possible. And yet without it, galaxies would all fall apart. Scientists believe it makes up most of the matter in the universe, but we have never actually directly detected it. This is the interesting story of dark matter, the invisible glue that holds the cosmos together. This mystery began nearly a century ago. In the 1930s, Swiss astronomer Fritz Zwicky was observing the Coma cluster, a collection of over 1,000 galaxies all bound together by gravity. But something didn't add up. Zwicky calculated all the visible mass of the galaxies, all the stars, dust, and gas that telescopes could detect, and compared it to how fast the galaxies were moving. According to Newton's laws, there simply wasn't enough visible mass to keep the cluster together. The galaxies were moving so fast they should have scattered across the universe. But they didn't. Something else, something invisible, had to be holding them in place. Zwicky called it Dunkel Materie, or dark matter. At the time, his theory was met with huge amounts of skepticism. It seemed too speculative. But decades later, new observations would bring Zwicky's idea back to life. In the 1970s, American astronomer Vera Rubin studied how spiral galaxies rotated. She expected to find that stars near the center of a galaxy would move faster than those at the outer edges, similar to how planets closer to the sun orbited faster. But that's not what she found. Instead, stars on the outer edges of the galaxy were moving just as fast as those near the core. This was a problem. Again, based on the visible mass alone, the galaxies should have torn themselves apart. The only explanation was there had to be more mass, far more than what we could see, surrounding each galaxy in a massive halo. It was a turning point. Vera Rubin's data was solid, and it confirmed what Zwicky had suspected decades earlier. Today, scientists estimate that about 85% of the matter in the universe is dark matter. That means everything we can see, every star, every planet, every nebula, makes up just 15% of the matter in existence. The rest is all invisible, detectable only through its gravitational effects. But what is dark matter actually made out of? That remains to be one of the biggest unanswered questions in science. It's not made of atoms, the building blocks of ordinary matter. It doesn't emit radiation, so we can't pick it up with telescopes. Some theories suggest it might be made of hypothetical particles called WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles. Others point to axions, sterile neutrons, or entirely new types of particles beyond the standard model of physics. To solve this mystery, scientists have gone to incredible lengths. Deep underground, in old gold mines, or beneath mountains, researchers have built ultra-sensitive detectors shielded from cosmic rays and background noise, hoping to catch just a single interaction with a dark matter particle. So far, none have been found. Particle accelerators like the Large Hadron Collider have tried smashing atoms together at nearly light speed, looking for traces of new particles. But again, dark matter has remained elusive. But despite the lack of direct evidence, the gravitational fingerprints of dark matter can be seen everywhere. We see it in how galaxies rotate, how light bends around massive galaxy clusters, a phenomenon called gravitational lensing, and in the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang. Dark matter may be invisible, but it leaves its mark across the universe. And perhaps the most fascinating part, without it, the universe couldn't look the way it does. Galaxies might have never formed. Stars might not have clustered together. The entire cosmic structure, from the largest clusters to the smallest galaxies, might not exist at all. In other words, dark matter didn't just shape galaxies, it shaped reality itself. So, the next time you look up at the night sky and see a blanket of stars, remember, what you're seeing is only a small fraction of the true universe. The real architecture of the cosmos lies hidden in the dark. So, that's it for this episode on dark matter. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, stay curious.